In the heart of New York, where ambition meets innovation, a revolution is quietly unfolding, a revolution that could redefine what it means to age gracefully. Here, under the gaze of modern medicine, scientists and clinicians are embarking on a journey to transform our understanding of skin aging. At the forefront of this pioneering research is a team of experts, driven by passion and a deep commitment to healing. Their mission? To target the very roots of skin aging, a process that has long been shrouded in mystery. For decades, chronic, low-grade inflammation has quietly sculpted the passage of time on our skin, setting in motion a cascade of cellular changes. But now, there's hope. Picture this as microscopic battles waged at the cellular level. Inflammation, a relentless force, triggers what scientists call the senescence-associated secretory phenotype, or SASP. Like an insidious whisper, SASP accelerates aging by unleashing a torrent of cytokines, growth factors, and enzymes, each contributing to the formation of wrinkles and even the progression of cancer. Yet, amid this storm, opportunity beckons. Every face tells a story. Research has revealed that the journey of aging is as unique as our individual fingerprints. Studies have shown that factors such as ethnicity and lifestyle impact how our skin weathers time. It's not just about reversing wrinkles, it's about understanding and celebrating the diversity of life's tapestry. Driven by these insights, cutting-edge therapies are emerging from the realms of science and clinical trials. From senolytics aimed at clearing out aging cells, to innovative molecules like rapamycin, and novel peptides that fortify the skin barrier, each treatment offers a promise of rejuvenation, precision, and safety. What excites me most is that we're not merely treating the surface. We're delving into the very essence of aging, targeting the underlying processes that cause our skin to lose its youthful vitality. This is a leap forward, where clinical innovation meets the personal quest for beauty and well-being. Imagine each treatment as a gentle whisper to your cells, a reminder that healing and renewal are possible. These therapies are designed with clarity, simplicity, and aesthetic elegance in mind, ensuring that every intervention not only works but also feels safe and natural. From laboratory bench to bedside, every step is meticulously crafted to empower you with choices that align with both scientific rigor and personal care. This is more than an innovation, it's an invitation to experience the future of skin care, where each breakthrough is a promise of not just looking younger but feeling truly revitalized. As these clinical trials progress, they are not only redefining the metrics of age, but also inspiring us to embrace life with renewed confidence. Each success in the lab echoes in the lives of individuals, reminding us that science is a lifelong partner in our journey to age with grace and vitality. In a world where the quest for youth is timeless, the fusion of science and art brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of skin aging. Stay with us as we explore, understand, and celebrate these remarkable breakthroughs, a future where every wrinkle tells not of decline, but of a life fully lived and gracefully embraced. Discover more about these groundbreaking therapies. Share this story, join the conversation, and be a part of the future of skin rejuvenation. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the science that is redefining beauty and health. Your journey to better skin begins here.